If you love Indian snacks, then my Pakora curry kit is perfect for you. I've made it really easy for you to make these at home by including the key ingredients. You just need a few fresh bits and then I'll show you how to make them. Heat up the oil in a karahi or wok to a medium heat. Slice the onions lengthways very thinly and place them into a bowl. Peel and grate or very finely chop the potatoes into the same bowl. You can also use aubergine, spinach and cauliflower or paneer chopped into small pieces. Add the freshly chopped coriander, chillies, grated ginger and some salt into the bowl. Sprinkle in bag 1 and mix everything through using your hands. Add a small amount of water, a little at a time, to create a thick batter that coats all the vegetables. Squeeze the mixture through your fingers to ensure all the spices have mixed. Test your oil is hot by dropping in a little batter into the oil. If it browns and rises immediately, then it's ready. Very carefully slide in spoonfuls of the mixture into the oil and using a slotted spoon move the pakora around until golden brown and crisp, then remove from the oil and set on some kitchen paper.